Hey tea lovers! It's still cold and flu season, which makes it the perfect time to boost your immune system with a hot cup of Organic Immunity Blend. This tea is lightly minty and fruity and is delicious by itself or made into a fun recipe. This tea is made up of 5 natural ingredients, and let's talk about each of them now. Up first is organic rooibos. Rooibos is a South African herb and makes up the caffeine-free base of this blend. Rooibos has 6 times the antioxidants of a cup of green tea, along with containing polyphenols, which make it a great immune-boosting ingredient. The second ingredient in this blend is organic echinacea. Echinacea is a beautiful ingredient that has many health benefits for the cold and flu season. This plant not only helps to boost the immune function, but also relieves pain, reduces inflammation, and alleviates cold and flu symptoms to make you feel better faster. Organic elderberries come next in this blend. These little berries carry a punch of antioxidants, along with being lightly tart and having a fruity flavor. Elderberries have been shown to help reduce cold and flu symptoms, as well as help to cleanse the body. Organic peppermint gives this blend a delicious minty flavor and is also packed with numerous health benefits, including supporting digestive and respiratory health. And finally, we have organic hibiscus. Besides tasting delicious, hibiscus flowers have a myriad of health benefits. These include aiding in digestion, boosting the immune system, and promoting weight loss. Although I think our immunity blend is delicious on its own, if you want to spice it up a little, you can try this delicious immune-boosting latte. I'm going to start with a couple teaspoons of tea in my little leaf infuser and put it in my cup and fill it with about 4 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water. Once my tea has had about 5 to 7 minutes to steep, I'm going to remove my infuser and take some hot almond milk, add some local raw honey, and give that a good mix. Although you can use any sweetener you'd like in this blend, we recommend a local raw honey because it's been shown to help alleviate cold and flu symptoms and help boost the immune system. Now all that's left to do is add the milk to our steeped tea and enjoy! This tea latte is lightly sweet, a little bit fruity, and mostly minty. Thank you so much for joining us for Tea of the Week this week. We currently have Organic Immunity Blend and all of our cold and flu fighting teas 25% off until the 2nd of February. There will be a link down below where you can find the discount code to save, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye!